Stop. Before you upgrade your vidIQ account, watch this video so you don't leave money on the table. Today, I'm going to show you how to get the maximum possible discount on your subscription. If you want to grow your channel faster, make sure to like this video and subscribe. Let's dive in. So here I am on the vidIQ website. I've actually been using vidIQ for over 4 years now, and I am beyond satisfied. It is the single most important tool I use to rank my videos and find the right keywords. Now, here's the deal. If you use the standard pre-activated links you see floating around YouTube, you're usually only going to get 25% off. That's fine, but I want to show you how to do much better than that. I have secured a special 50% discount code for my viewers. That is double the savings of the standard links. However, because these high-value codes change frequently, I don't put the code directly in the YouTube description. Instead, I keep the latest working code updated on my website. To get that 50% off, you just have to click the link I've placed in the description or the first pinned comment. That link will take you to my dedicated deal page. I've hidden the code behind a button there to ensure that whenever you click it, you are getting the most recent, valid code that actually works. Most codes you find online are expired, but I update mine manually to make sure you always get that 50% reduction. So don't settle for a 25% discount. Click the link below, head over to my site, grab the secret 50% code, and then use it on the vidIQ checkout page. It's an extra click that saves you a lot of money over the next year. If this tip helped you save, drop a comment and let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.